Hello students, how are you all? I am your art and craft teacher Sonia Vishwas. Welcome all of you to Fun2 class, where we learn so many interesting art and craft things. So, who want to join me on this adventurous journey? So today we are going to make what? Do you have any guesses what we make today? No? No? Yes, I will tell you. We will make lion. So do you guys know about it from more interesting facts which you probably don't know? Let me tell you guys today that in this session, and yes, you are going to have a lot of fun to making it. So are you ready to make this with me? Ready? Then let's start.
So the first thing we need to make this lion is some coloring paper, scissor, glue, black sketch pen, circle for circle, anything for circle. So first we will half fold the A4 size paper. We need blue color coloring paper. We fold it like this and see this mark is made because of the folding this paper. With the help of this mark, we will make a cut from the middle with the help of scissor and divide A4 size paper into two pieces. We need only one piece here. Now we will take another paper, green color paper, and fold it. If you don't have such a green color paper, you have another green color paper, then it will also work here. I have used light green color paper. If you want to also use dark green color paper. Now we will cut it 5 centimeters something. Fold it slowly. So we need two such a thin strip of green color paper. Yep, we need two strips of green color paper. Now with the help of a sketch pen, we will draw some grass line over a green strip. You can make this grass line by doing shape V. It is made very easily. We will make some more grass and it will cut with the help of scissor. First make some more grasses. Cut slowly and carefully. Lion it sounds. Anyone know? Yeah. Lion sounds roar. It sounds like roar. This is done, and now we need another strip of green color paper and make again grass, some more grasses. We need more and more grasses because we are making a forest here, a dense forest, right? So in a dense forest there's lots of trees and long grasses, right? So now we will make a cloudy shape for tree. One more shape. For this cloudy shape, you can use CCC shape. Now we will cut it again. Cut slowly and carefully, students. I tell you again. Cut slowly and carefully. You can also ask your parents to help to cut it. And one more thing, it is not necessary to make it like this. Made it the way you like it, okay? Now we will cut this cloudy shape tree. Okay students, clean the surface. We need here one. We will also cut a black color strip, and now we will cut it into 3 pieces, not 2 pieces, 3 pieces. Fold it and cut it into 3 pieces. Okay. Now we will take a yellow paper. We will cut it at least 7 centimeters something. Yeah. We will cut it into 7 centimeters something. Okay. With the help of a sketch pen, we will draw a small point, and now we will fold this yellow paper and we will cut. We will cut it. Now with the help of the sketch pen, we will draw 2 curvy shape lines. Yes, here we will draw 2 curvy shape lines. See student, how I make this curvy shape line. One is here, very simple lines, and one is here, and in between these 2 lines we will draw a long straight line and 2 more straight line around this line. Okay, and make the lion's paw. And draw a reverse C here. C shape, reverse C shape here, and C here. And now we will make the lion's tail. Now draw the lion's tail here. Now draw a circle here. You guys can also draw this shape with the help of any lid. I'm using this kind of lid here. You can use any kind of lid. And now we will cut them all. Again I tell you, slowly and carefully you will cut this lion.
Take me there. I'm alone. Take me there. Nobody here.
Now we will take an orange color paper and draw a big circle and cut it too.
I'm alone. Take me there. Nobody here. Guide me there. So peacefully.
Let's have all our papers cut now. We will stick them, and it is going to be a lot of fun to stick them. First we will put the blue color paper down and sticking all the paper one by one, slowly. First of all, I will stick green color grass here, okay, with the help of glue. I'm taking a grass and using some glue here and stick it here. No, I think this is not the right place. I think, yeah, this is the right place. It is not necessary. You can use your mind and stick it your own way, okay? Another grass here. The stem. Now the time to stick lion. Roar. Now stick this grass in front of the line. Now with the help of a sketch pen, I am making here eyes, lion's eyes, and nose. With the help of triangle shape, I am making here mouth and some lines for the beak. Sorry, it's not beak. Color the tail. And some more lines around the face. And ready, steady, go. It's ready. So students, I know you enjoyed it. I also enjoyed making this a lot. So now we will meet in the next class with more interesting things that we will make together. Then till then, bye bye.